guys, it's me Stace. I'm back again today with another Cricut video, and we're also doing our Making a Monday project, and today we're making a scrapbook layout, and my inspiration for the layout was this one here, which is called Call of the Wild, and this is the one we're going to be creating ourselves. Let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, at the computer you want to go to design.cricut.com, enter in your email and your password, click on sign in. On this screen I'm just going to go down to the first category, which is 3D. I'm going to go ahead and click on View All. Upper right hand corner where it says 3D, we're going to click on that and then go down and click on Photo Memories. Now the layout I'm working on is called Call of the Wild. Now rather than going through all these layouts, I'm just going to type in the word wild in the search box and then click on enter. That'll bring the layout up. Go ahead and click on that. It brings up the preview window. Click on Customize. Now I am making a golf layout, so I'm going to be changing a lot of these elements out. I'm going to first take this piece out and delete that. Take the title, the circle piece. Just take all these pieces away so I can work with the layout itself. I'm going to take my mouse across all these pieces and then delete those. Now you see we have this piece and this piece here. This piece is supposed to be the 12 by 12, but if you look at the size, it's only 11 1/4 by 11 1/4. So I'm going to go ahead and change that size to be 12 by 12. This other color, I'll make this one be 11.5. I'm going to put that back. Now this is a photo mat. I have it selected. Top toolbar, I'm going to unlock the lock, make the width be 6.25 and the height is going to be 4.25. I do want two of these. I'm going to right click on that and choose duplicate. So now I have my two photo mats here. Now these little squares, I do want these, but I want each square to be 2 by 2. So what I want to do is on my left hand side toolbar, click on shape, click on a square. I have this square selected. I'm going to change the size of that to be 2 by 2. Then take this square and line it up in the upper left hand corner of this grouping of squares. Then click on the squares themselves and you can just use the arrow keys to line it up. Okay, that looks pretty good. I can remove that one. So now I know these squares are about 2 by 2. So I can put that one over there. Bring this piece over. Okay, so now I have the base for my layout. Now I want to go ahead and grab my pieces. Left hand side toolbar, I'm going to click on images. In the search box, I'm going to type in the word golf. Click on enter. And the golf pieces I chose this bag here. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This golf cart, this piece here, and the golf clubs. And I'm looking for my title, which is down here, and this one says hole in one. I'm going to go ahead and click on insert images. Alright, so now we have all of our elements here, like that. Let me grab my title and bring this one down, make it be a little bit larger. Okay, now I do want to change the colors of this, so I'm going to bring it off, right click on that and choose ungroup. Then we have the main green layer. I want to make that be the same brown piece here, so I'm going to change that to brown. Then we have this piece, I want to make that be white. Make that be the white color. This piece I'm going to make be the same dark green as my 12 by 12. Okay, so now I can just get them all lined back up where they're going to go. Okay, take my mouse across all those, group them together, and I can put this back. And I like changing the colors as I go so I can see what the layout will look like before I go ahead and cut paper. All right, now we have all these pieces here. I'm just going to resize these. And just put them on here. Before I do that, I'm going to make all these pieces here be white. Click on those, make them be white. Bring this piece over, just make them fit inside that 2 by 2 square. Okay, then we have this piece. And lastly, we have this piece over here. Again, resize that to fit inside there. All right, so I think the golf cart and the golf clubs, I'll make the same color green that I've been working with. So I'm going to click on that and change that color. Change this one as well. And these two pieces I'll make be red to bring out more of the red from the title. Okay, so I think overall that looks pretty good. I want to make this piece be wider. But to make it wider, it's going to also make it be longer. So I'm just going to take this one, right click on it and choose duplicate, and then bring this one down here. So I have two pieces here that are the same size. All right, now all I need to do now is delete the pieces I don't want the Cricut to cut. So of course we have our 12 by 12, we can delete that. Another piece of cardstock, 11.5 by 11.5. Two pieces for our photo mats, they both measure 4.25 by 6.25. Our four white squares, they measure 2 by 2. We can delete those. All right, so all these pieces here is what the Cricut is going to cut for us. Upper right hand corner, click on make it. You'll need a white piece, a red piece, brown, a light blue, and a green. I'm going to click on continue, cut these out on the table, and put our layout together. Alrighty guys, we have all of our pieces cut out. So we have the 12 by 12, and I have my piece here that's 11.5 by 11.5. I'm going to glue that down. I'm using art glitter glue. I get this from MamieMadeIt.com. I would be using my ATG gun, my tape gun, but I don't know how to load the tape by myself, and hubby's not here. So we're going to be using the liquid glue instead. All right, take this one and just do your best to get it in the middle of this one here. Okay, all right, now we have our title. Yeah, hubby went to a, with work, he went to a golf thing. I'm not sure what it was. It was for charity. I'm not sure what charity it was though. You'll see in my project life. But I thought I'll make a layout of him during his golf outing with his buddies at work. So this is just going to be part of it. And as I said before, with Project Life, I'm doing one 12 by 12 layout per month. This will be for April. And then right next to this, I'll have all the other pictures I took or that he took. Some of them are really goofy. I'm glad they do that. You know, it gives him a break from work. And he has a chance to golf. And it's always for a good cause. All right, so take this piece. I myself think golfing is really boring. You shoot a ball, then you go chase the ball, right? All right, this is going to go on top of that one. And I said before, with the Make Now section of Design Space, I mainly use it for inspiration. Sometimes I'll use it the exact same way it was intended. Other times I think, okay, well, I have a bunch of photos. What layout can I use? That kind of thing. That's how I kind of came up with this one. All right, now I have my brown photo mats. These are 4.25 by 6.25. Lay this one in the upper right hand corner. Again, I'm just trying to eyeball it with the right and the top. If I go off a little bit, I'm okay with it. Now we have our squares. I think I'm going to pop my squares up. This way it gives the layout a little bit of dimension. Just going to take our pieces and glue them. Whoops. Okay, just glue them on. And these all measured 2 by 2. I popped the pieces up, but some of them are too skinny. All right, I'm just going to grab the other piece. Okay, and then our little golf clubs. Okay, I'm going to dab some of that extra off, only because that was super skinny. Okay, so we have those. I'm going to flip them over and grab my foam squares. I'm going to do 4 in each corner. Okay, 2 more. All right, give all them a squish. All right, take the backing off. I don't think it matters which way they go. Okay. So again, I'm going to take my upper left-hand corner one and line it up with the green here. Okay, and I'm not going to press it down all the way. You're just going to kind of sit it there, just so I can make sure this piece is going to fit. See, it's not going to fit. So pick this one up a little bit, bring it more over, like that. And again, I'm not pushing down on it, just kind of sitting it there. And of course, if you want to, you can certainly use a ruler to measure, or you can purposely go crooked. Just kind of eyeball it. Alright, so I'm going to lift it up, see how that looks. Not too bad. Squish it down. Alright, take our other piece. Okay, bring this one down. Now I'm just going to line it up with this one below it. And then this one, just like such. Okay, I'm a little crooked, but I'm okay with it. All right, so now I have the strips. Take one of these. And we're gonna put one right below it. Okay, I think I'm gonna pop this piece up too, only because I have enough of those foam squares here to do that. Might as well use them, right? Okay. Give them a squish. I'm not going to lay this down yet though, because I want to put my photo down first, or my mat. But at least that is ready for me. All right. Let's grab our other photo mat. I want this green piece to come down here, so I need this to be here. And again, just eyeballing it. Oh, but y'all seen that was going to happen, huh? All right, take the other green one. You know, creating a scrapbook layout to me is not about being perfect. It's about capturing the memories, which is what is important. So if I'm crooked here and there, I'm completely okay with it. All right, take the backing off. Oh, I already did that. All right, let's go ahead and squish this guy down here. Make it be straight. Okay, now let's talk about our photos. I have two. This is hubby and a coworker in the golf car. And again, you'll see more of these when I share with you my April project life. He really did have a good time though. And this is him swinging in the golf club. And probably down here I'll write down what the date. I know it was on April 6th, but I'll write down whatever you know, the golf course he was at or the charity event. I'll write that on here as well. All right. So we have that one. And that quickly, guys, or not so quickly, our layout is done. What do you think? Right? Super simple. I like it. All right, any questions, guys, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.